All the student, today we are discuss your important topic drug acting on the central nervous system. Mainly opioid analgesia, which can use for the drugs that which is selectively relieve pain by the acting on in the central nervous system or on the peripheral pain mechanism without the significantly altering the consciousness. And opioid is like a NSAID drug. Opioid is any drug which bind to the opioid receptor, or it can be show the pharmacologically action in the based on the central nervous system and antagonized by the their mechanism. Mainly narcotic drug is a derivative from the opium and opium like a compound. Which is a potent and analgesic effect in significantly alteration on the mood and behavior. It is a depend upon the dose and it upon the depend upon the route of drug administration. Mainly these are drug for use of the pain. Like a type of pain is acute, chronic and malignant. Acute pain like a patient was suffer from the tumor or injury. Then we can use the drug. It can help for the pain relief of the patient. Chronic pain like a condition for which is cures were unknown. Malignant like a process of the patient was suffering from the cancer. Or other use of like a hypnotic. A hypnotic is a drug that is produce the sleep like a resembling sleep. Make a patient is sleeping and like a patient was suffer from the insomnia, and it can be suffer from the increase the hypersensitivity reaction like a excitement, calm. Then we can use for the drug that can be act on the central nervous system and it can be depress on the central nervous system. Mainly the drug is used for the hypnotic. It can be effect on the midbrain. It can be a reduce the excitement as well as the reduce the calm. It can be muscle relaxation. Then can when the drug is used in the higher form, it can be produce the sleep. It is the main cause of the drug and like a resembling sleep. Other effect like a local anesthetic drug is a depressing vital function of all the type of cell. Like we can use in the minor operate. When we can use the drugs is a minor dose, it can be used like a pain relief. It can be a mainly block of the sensations and block the nerve conduction. That can be used for the local anesthetic. Firstly, we will discuss about the natural drug like a opium. Botanically name is like a Papaver somniferum. These are the botanical name of the opium. Other one is the family like a Papaveraceae. English name is a opium. Urdu name is the afim. Local name is opium like a opium poppy. Part use when which is part used for the drug like a capsule, flower, seed or latex. Or chemical class of the these are opium is a mainly class of the alkaloid. Or other chemical constituent like a major chemical constituent are like a most important chemical constituent are a alkaloid like a 1 to 5th percentage of a total weight of drug. Or principal alkaloid in the presence of opium like a morphine. It is a 8 to 21 percentage present in the drug. Other chemical constituent like a codeine, papaverine, sugar, salt of calcium and magnesium and wax. These are the other chemical constituent present in the drug like a codeine is 0.7 to 5 percentage, papaverine is 0.5 to 1.5 percentage, and heroin it is the derivation of the morphine. And it is more potent than morphine. Because morphine can cross the blood brain barrier. But due to the it is a conjunction because it become a lipid insoluble drug. Morphine again I will discuss. Heroin is more potent than morphine because morphine can cross the blood brain barrier. But due to the conjunction because it cannot be a lipid soluble drug. So it become it a lipid insoluble drug. So whereas a heroin is a lipid soluble drug and it is also cross the blood brain barrier so easily, so act on the limbic system of a brain. Like heroin is a mainly affect on the CNS, mainly part of the limbic system of brain. So limbic system that is associated with the emotions and stimulation and dream like sensation are the product. Mainly it can be a minor dose, it can be effect like a sedative, and it can be a use of the higher dose, it can be show the effect and cause of this like a sleeping and like a resembling sleeping, but it is a dose dependent. So mainly use of the drug like opium, what is the use of opium, what is the use of morphine, what is the use of heroin, it's depend upon the firstly it depend upon the dose. So medically use it can be used to a relief pain and antitussive like to treatment of cough. So mainly it is a effect upon the cough center. So other one it is a used to a treatment intestinal stomach spasm or a respiratory spasm like triggered by the asthma attack. So mainly it can be used for the treatment of asthma. So other use I already told you it can be used in sedative and as well as higher doses show the action like a hypnotic, or it is also used like a local anesthetic. So depend upon the dose and it depend upon the route of administration drug. So other use of the opium or other use of the morphine like a treatment of diarrhea and abdominal pain. So it is also used for the relax involuntary muscle. So poppy seed oil is used as the vehicle for the use for the treatment of the hypertension. So poppy seed is a relief the constipation and as it is a contain a lot of the dietary fiber. So they can use also in the mouth ulcer and many type of use of the like a poppy seed is a help to a low cholesterol level and maintain a bone health and combat in a skin infection. So mainly mechanism action of the opium like a morphine or other drug like a morphine to a opioid receptor. So mainly it is a mechanism action like a morphine is bind to opioid receptor present on the surface of a nerve cell and a set of chain of the reaction. So these are the mainly action on the inside the cell and cause cell membrane to the less excitability. So this mean that the nerve impulse are not generate as the nerve cell become a like it can be a not pass the message to a nervous system. So that can be used for the local anesthetic and as well as it can be used the pain relief. So it can also dull pain by the silence by nerve, so it can be block the nerve conduction. So it can be block the nerve conduction, it cannot be carry the pain signal to the brain. So patient can be easily relieved from the pain. So it has also effect in the pain process area of the brain. So therefore morphine is caused like analgesia, dizziness, respiratory depression, nausea, depression, cough reflex. So these are the other side effect and as well as other cause of the drug. So codeine is also chemical constituent of the opium. Like codeine is it is a derivation are the used as a antitussive. Like it is a treatment of the cough. So it is also used as the conjunctions and it can be help from the relief stuffing nose. So it can be a treatment of the like a cold condition. So it is less potent than morphine, but codeine is also chemical constituent of the opium, but it can be less potent than morphine. So morphine is higher than codeine, like it can be easily cross the blood brain barrier. So it is a directly effect on the central nervous system. So codeine it is also act on the analgesia to relieve a mid to a moderate pain and it can be also used for relieve the pain. So although its codeine has been very low affinity from or for the opioid receptor. About 10% of it is a convert into the morphine. So result is a analgesic effect is a due to this convention. So opium is also, so codeine is also used for the pain relief because it is also effect and it is also binding to the opioid receptor. So next one is the papaverine. So papaverine is also chemical constituent of the opium. So it is also used for the opioid analgesic. So it is the direct act on the smooth muscle relaxation because it is used for the relaxation of the muscle or independent of the muscle involuntary. So the muscle relaxation of the large blood vessel is including like a coronary, systematically or primarily artery. So it can be mainly effect of the blood vessel and it can be show the effect like a respiratory and heart is a relaxation like it is a mainly effect in the smooth muscle relaxation. So the result of the vasodilation has been a potentially and attribute inhibition of the cycle nicotine and phospholipids. So mainly it can be a relief from the pain and it can be a dilation of the vasodilation. Sometimes it can be a show the side effect like a respiratory depression. So patient can be a respiratory depression. So sometimes patient was the totally body is a relaxation. So sometimes patient was suffer from the paralysis. But it depend upon the dose.